As regarding the situation with commodity currencies, here of course the major tendencies is still in the full play right now, and that's a tendency of rising United States currency. As you know, now the United States currency is under a really very strong upside pressure because of rising yields of United States government papers, because of much better economic situation internally in the United States comparing to other countries. And here we compare the situation with United States economic reality with the situation with the reality of such kind of countries like Australia, New Zealand, Canada, and the Russian ruble. Of course, the Russia it's a little bit different, and it's a topic of absolutely another discussion. But let's see now side by side the situation with these three pairs: Kiwi, Loonie, and Aussie. The Aussie at the moment is looking really extremely weak. Now it's a little bit higher from the lows of yesterday, printed around 0.7470. Anyway, here from technical point of view, also from fundamental point of view, the situation is looking really very bearish right now for the Aussie. Anyway, probably the market is ripe for a correction because of oversold technical indicators, because of risks associated with economic events of this week in the form of the Fed's Federal Open Market Committee meeting scheduled for today, and the labor market report coming from the United States on Friday. All in all, any kind of potentially negative economic surprises from the United States could bring a portion of renewed volatility in the price of the United States currency and dampened the near-term potential upside potential of this of the United States greenback. All in all, here as regarding the situation with the Aussie, we suggest to stand aside, looking how the situation will develop in the coming hours and sessions. The New Zealand dollar, which yesterday traded below a psychologically important level of 70, here we are really very close to retest the longer term uptrend line located around 0.6920. While above this trend line, probably the pair still looks not so bad as some of investors think, but the best kind of currency among the commodity block of currencies is of course the Canadian dollar. As you know, the Canadian economy is really perfect very well at the moment. Is looking really very bullish right now. As you know, the Bank of Canada is ready to hike the rates in Canada, and from that point of view the Canadian dollar should be looked especially very supporting, especially very positive. Probably it's number one currency to buy between the block of commodity currencies. And some words about the Russian ruble, which is 63.17 right now. Here, as you know, the Russian ruble is in the middle of the range between roughly say 60 and 65, and we suggest that while inside of this range, probably the Russian ruble should be treated rather neutral. As opportunities well, the Russian closer to 65, but at the same time we will be buyers closer to psychologically important level of 60. At the moment that's all. Some later we will come with our analysis of United States stock indices. It was FutureTrend channel with you. Bye bye for now.